Hey guys, Ollie here from Local Knowledge TV. I'm here to tell you today a little bit more about Seaguar Blue Label Fluorocarbon Leader. Seaguar Blue Label is the original fluorocarbon product from Seaguar. It's been around for years and years and years, and it's best known for its abrasion resistance and impact strength. For me, that's really important when I'm chasing tunas, dorado, marlin, etc. All of these fish want to chafe you off, bite you off. That abrasion resistance gives me the confidence when I've got a fish on the line for 15, 20, 30, even an hour that I'm not going to lose that fish because of a chew-off. The thing that makes Blue Label so special is it's actually two fluorocarbon resins combined into one. They take these two resins and they mold them together to give you the best performance of both worlds. You've got an inner core that's made up of a very high density material that provides that impact resistance and strength. Then it's softer material that goes over the top of that, and that provides that easy knot tying and knot tying strength that we've all come to expect from Blue Label. The other thing too is this line will sink faster than monofilament, and that allows me to get my baits down underwater into the bite zone and away from the boat quicker. Seaguar Blue Label is a tried and true leader material that's used and trusted the world over. And because it's from Seaguar, the people who brought you fluorocarbon leader, you know you can rely on it when that fish of a lifetime is on the line. Go ahead and give the original Blue Label a try.